Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers Femme, and today I'm going to be working on my hairstyle. I have an interview, so I just want to make sure that, you know, my hair looks a bit decent. And plus, I wanted to have a hairstyle that I could have in for a couple of days, because, yeah, my hair looks crazy. And I literally just been wearing it like this outside, which is cool, or I'll just pull it all the way up once I wet it. But I'm ready for a hairstyle, so here we go. If you want to see how I get this look, definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's get into it. So the very first thing I'm going to do is wet my hair down. Let's figure it out together. So I think I wanted to try a French roll. I've been fiending to try a French roll in my hair. Mind my pips. As always, don't mind my eczema. I'm working on it, okay? If you feel the need to say something about it, if it's not positive, keep it to yourself. Okay, we're gonna turn around now. Okay, so we'll start with the middle one. We'll fill feels like the middle. And whoa. Now that the back is up safely, I think I'm gonna put a rubber band to just secure it back there. And then if I don't need the rubber band, I'll take it off after. So we got about this much. Done. So put a nice little rubber band there. And then I'm gonna do the front part. I didn't want to get my comb, but I might have to. Now I'm trying to figure out, in most French rolls, what happens here with this. I usually know people normally leave like some down or whatever, but this usually somehow gets into the French roll. So that's the part I'm trying to figure out as to what to do with the top of my locks. Now, before I get into that, I'm gonna go get me some pins so that I could actually fit these ones in first, and then we'll figure out what to do at the top. So I'll be right back. So what I did was I got me some hairpins because my hair is still a little bit short to do this hairstyle, but I still want it. And I'm not gonna start over because we don't start over on this channel, right? So now we're gonna do the middle part, trying to figure out what I want to do to it, and then I will fix, my baby hairs. So usually, I think this is how it can look. So I'm going to somehow bring these here, probably with some pins. Just gonna pin it like this. Stick it, but not on my scalp, more like push the pin into my, like the hair itself, like that. I used to like doing this hairstyle when I was in high school with my natural hair, like when I had a relaxer. This was an easy look for me to do. And now I'm just gonna make sure the parts are correct. And then I twist like this. So my baby hairs don't get in. And I just go down the whole thing. Take my pin, squeeze it. Boom. I think I'll put one there, and I'll put one here. See, easy peasy. Now we're gonna move on to the next one, and then you just add that into the clip as well. So you take your second part, you make sure it's neat, and then you rotate in the direction that you normally rotate your hair. And then you connect. All right. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so it's been a little bit, and I'm going to take the clips out. I have some hairpins. So I'm just gonna make sure they stay. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I don't want to cut that off, so we're gonna leave that. And that little white piece, that's actually my gray hair. So let me see if I could wind it up a little bit. Yeah, so this is the final look. Of course, if you want to curl them, you can do that, but I don't have enough time. Let me, hold on 1 second. So this is how it came out. All I did was use some pins up top here and made sure they stayed. And I also secured the back with a rubber band. Ooh, that hurts. Make sure you don't get it on your scalp. Okay, that's much better. And now the back looks like this. This side looks like this. And this side looks like this. And that is my version of a French roll on shorter locks. See you next time.